Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a lean deck and immediately entering Only Way. Choose 2 reliable win conditions, then add 3 control cards to manage pushes. Finally, include 3 support cards to finish trades. Once done, set your elixir curve to about 3, 6, 4, 2 so you can respond without overcommitting. Make sure card levels are balanced versus the expected opponents. If one card is vastly underleveled, swap for a more even option. Start the match now and claim the tempo early. You now focus on the mid-game where control wins matches. Start by trading evenly, aim for 1-for-1 exchanges or better, because Only Way punishes overcommitment. Once done, use light cycle cards as 0, 5 to 1, 5 elixir placeholders to reach your win condition faster, but don't sacrifice defense. Make sure to observe opponent patterns. If they consistently bait spells, switch to split pressure plays. Keep alternating offense and defense until you identify a weak lane to exploit. You finish by converting an elixir or positional advantage into a decisive push. Once done, build a committed attack behind a tank or distraction, and use split pressure if they overcommit on one side. Make sure to time spells for value. Don't drop clone or heavy tech until you see their defensive rotation thin. If things go wrong, reset with a defensive spell, fall back to safe trades, and swap to your secondary win condition to break stalemates. This single tweak often turns loss into win.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.